My name is Vincent Hofstee. I'm head of design for ASKO, and I'm also leading the team for the design of cooking and refrigeration. I think we created a very engaging oven, which is really easy to use. So we kind of removed the thresholds for starting to cook with this oven. You can very easily find your desired programs. And I think overall we created a very pleasant experience using the oven.
My name is Pernilla. I'm a Swedish industrial designer. I started working for ASKO 25 years ago. Sustainability is really important when we develop appliances. We offer products that are tested for 20 years. To make products that are that durable, obviously there's a lot of testing being done during the developing process and during production, but it's also about how we select materials. From a durability standpoint, it's obvious. It's better to buy one appliance in 20 years rather than 3, which would be perhaps the option. And we also work, we call it, with honest materials. For instance, you would touch the steel band around the door of the washing machine or the tumble dryer, and you will see that that is real stainless steel. If it looks like metal, it is metal. And that's how we speak about honest materials.
I am Wouter Ditters, the ASKO Smart Solutions and Services Manager. I think it's in the DNA of ASKO that we are user-centric. So I think it's very important that we always put the user first. And I think AI is a great technology, but I think we want to make it accessible by users to put the user first and then apply the technology in a proper way. So make it accessible, hide the technology, but people can make use of AI via a good UI, UX interface.
So we design our products in a way that it's intuitive to use and aesthetically pleasing, and we base our design on our design values. Always this minimalistic approach, elegant lines, balanced proportions, and that results in this what we call understated elegance.